Welcome to our tutorial on Sage Video. After watching this video, you will have the ability to explain what Sage Video is and how it works. Sage Video brings learning to life through our expertly curated collections featuring documentary-style videos, real-world scenarios, and compelling interviews. Each streaming collection was developed with academics, societies, and practitioners to deliver cutting-edge video resources. Each collection is designed to accommodate multiple learning styles and is carefully crafted to facilitate learning and expand knowledge. It is therefore an ideal resource for students, faculty, and librarians alike. The link to Sage Video can typically be found on your library's website, either in an A to Z database list or on a discipline-specific page. If you have questions about how to access Sage Video at your institution, please contact your library. The video homepage prominently displayed a search bar where you have the option to search across all video content along with a carousel of editor's choice videos. There are a few ways to browse the content in Sage Video. We default to discipline on this landing page. The video type tab is another way to browse the content on this platform. These different video type options are meant to help meet a variety of teaching, learning, and research needs at all levels of higher education from undergraduate to graduate. For example, faculty may want to embed short clips and a course management system. Or maybe for a flipped classroom, they can assign a case study video for an in-class discussion. The in-practice videos are meant to bring theory to life and can help students see the practical applications of methods they are learning about in their textbooks. The Playlist tab provides editor-curated playlists of some of their favorite content within each of the disciplines represented in Sage Video. One of the core missions for each of our video collections is to carefully index and curate the collection content against core disciplinary topic areas. And this is the work of the editorial board that oversees each collection. They establish the taxonomy and essential topic areas for each collection, and the content is very much designed with a clear line of sight to their learning outcomes of courses at the university level. This first title talks about Sage's approach to publishing video content and how we differ as a video provider because of our rigorous academic standards, our global approach, and our production of original content. And then this next title called Video Collections is where you can find the collections titles as well as brief descriptions of the collections and the list of the editorial board members if you're interested in viewing or sharing that information with others at your institution. Let's take a look at some content. This specific collection features content aligned to support topics like counseling research methods, counseling setting and client groups, theory and approaches to counseling, counseling skills, and professional issues. We're going to start with a quick tour of what we're looking at here on the search results page. The top bar contains our search parameters, the number of results, and different ways to organize our results, either by relevance, alphabetically, publication date, or by popularity. We now also have the option to group results by work, meaning at the title level, or by section, meaning chapters. Edit Search leads us to the advanced search page. Then we have our quick filter box where we can refine our results by these options listed here. Or we can search within our results by adding another search term. Sage has made a lot of investment towards accessibility by adding several features on the video player. Every Sage video includes a transcript which is both searchable and downloadable for offline viewing. There's also an auto-scroll feature which users can turn on and off, and highlights the text being spoken in the transcript as the video plays. Another great feature of the videos is the ability to create custom clips, which can be used for in-class viewing or assigned as part of an online course. To create a clip, first ensure that you are logged in with your profile. Then select your clip start and end times, either by entering manually or using the toggle bar on the video player. Next, give your clip a description and select Save in either your clips or your list. Once you save the clip, you now have the option to embed the clip into a course management system. You can also choose to embed the full video or a chapter, making it really easy for faculty to use this video content. And of course, the Summary tab has the abstract for the video. Longer videos are broken up into chapters, so users can see those here and easily click into a particular chapter of the video. And Video Info has the metadata, including relevant subjects and keywords. These terms are hyperlinked to lead to relevant search results if you click into them. If a video has assessment questions available, these will appear in a fourth tab. Assessment questions are available on select videos and the Business and Management collection, Counseling and Psychotherapy, Politics and International Relations, and also the Nursing collection. Now that we've looked at the content, let's talk about the helpful functions built into the platform. We can save content to a list, we can copy the permalink, select the citation in multiple formats, share this content via email or other third-party options, we can copy the embed code directly from the platform, and we can download this content as a PDF. Another tool built into the platform is the profile. Let's briefly talk about what it is and how it can be a useful tool for librarians, faculty, and students. There are three main functions to the profile, the first being the ability to create and save lists of content. These lists are embeddable and linkable, which make them an excellent way to gather content for research guides, assignments, or a supplementary content for courses. The second function is the ability to save searches. You can both run and edit your search from your profile. This is a useful avenue for sharing content related to a topic without curating a specific list, or it can be especially helpful if you run a search you need to return to at a later time. Another important resource on the platform is the Accessibility Guide, which is located at the bottom of any page and linked in the About section. This page is intended as a user guide to the site's accessibility features and provides a dedicated email address for any accessibility questions or requests. In addition to the content, there are some additional resources on the platform both librarians and faculty may find useful. From the Information for drop-down menu, you can access information for specific user types or a general FAQ. Instructors can find title lists, general resource information, or instructions on how to add content to a course using LTI. Instructor manuals are designed to help course instructors implement Sage video content within their teaching practices. They help instructors think about how they might use videos in their courses, as well as specific suggested clips and some examples of discussion questions. This is a great resource to share with your faculty. The Information for Librarians page includes information on indexing and discovery, as well as library communications and promotional material. We hope you found this tutorial useful. If you have any questions, please contact us at journalsales@sagepub.in.